Welcome to our series of travel articles on Private Guide World Platform, exploring the shore excursions and tours in bustling cruise ports of Europe. During this summer, we will be unveiling the articles, highlighting the busiest passenger ports of Europe, providing you with comprehensive details to make the most of your visit. In each article, we will delve into the unique charm, attractions, and cultural treasures awaiting you at each port. Whether you're an avid explorer, history enthusiast, or simply seeking a taste of local flavors, our articles will serve as your compass, pointing you towards the most captivating experiences to help you make the most of your limited time. During an 8-hour port stop, we highly recommend considering the services of a local private tour guide in each destination. These knowledgeable local tour guides possess an intimate understanding of the port cities, allowing them to curate personalized itineraries tailored to your interests. Throughout each of our articles, you will find links to the lists of reputable local private tour guides, offering you the opportunity to contact and book their services directly in advance. By securing a private local tour guide, you will gain insider insights, skip long lines, and optimize your time, ensuring a truly memorable and immersive experience. So, join us on these exciting voyages as we uncover the hidden gems and must-see attractions of Europe's most bustling cruise ports. During these beautiful summer months, we will be telling you about the fascinating sights of different European port cities on Private Guide World Platform at www.pg World. Travel inspired always.